cover. You will see two main components. One is the compressor, the other is the condenser fan. They connect to the same pair of wires. The compressor is running fine.
Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification.
Oh, what's it saying? Hot, cold. Oh, they're on the other side. Oops. Come on.
Hot, while the other tube is not hot.
Okay, so the
one on the bottom is hot.
Yeah, the one on the bottom's hot, the one on the top is got to be cold.
We will focus on condenser fan problems in another video. We will show situation 2 in this video. Situation 2, the compressor is not running and the condenser fan is not running. Try this test. If this tube is hot, while the other tube is not hot. The condenser fan is working if the fan turns. There are 3 possibilities. We will focus on condenser fan problems in another video. We will show situation 2 in this video. Situation 2, the compressor is not running and the condenser fan is not running.
Okay, that's what we're talking about. Okay.
Remove the fan motor connector. Connect the meter probes to the motor and measure the resistance. You see this one? It is 135 volts.
Move the fan motor.
Okay.
So it is not this section that is the problem. We can trace to the control box to see why it failed to deliver electricity. But you may not have the time to do this, or you may not want to if you already ordered a new refrigerator. In that case, I will show you our first short circuit to make the refrigerator running again in 2 minutes. The idea is to connect these 2 wires directly to the AC power. First, we need to make sure the white wire is the neutral wire. Connect 1 meter probe to the socket on the connector for the white wire, the other probe to the neutral pole of the plug. It is conducting, so the white wire is neutral. We plug the refrigerator's plug into the power strip. For safety, the power strip's plug is not plugged in while I am doing it.
Okay, maybe. No cool refrigerator. Okay. We'll try this one.
Hi guys.
Okay.
What I'm going to help you do today is troubleshoot your refrigerator that's not getting cold. Now this is going to apply mainly to top freezer refrigerators.
Okay, this is
and
okay. This is the one we saw, but I can scroll past that. Okay, so there's the top. Yeah, we already went through all that. So blah blah blah. Okay, so now scroll to where it goes down to the back. Okay, come on, take me down to the back.
See, this is the evaporator fan up here. There's 2 fans. That's the evaporator fan.
Oops. Okay, oops. A-I-R-E. K-O-M. S-E-R, fan. Not working. There we go. There we go. Alright. Here comes fan test. Not cooling. Blah, blah, blah. Okay.
If neither runs, then you'd need the new relay or compressor. So luckily I saw that clip on the business.
Oh,
Under the
table.
We can test to start relay.
That's what a lot of people do to make some extra money.
Yeah, well,
Just side jobs. So basically, that kid, he'd have been like, geez, I can fix that in 5 minutes.
Okay,
And if
now-
it saves me a hassle, you could ask him, like,
Yeah.
hey, what would something like that, if I paid for the fan, what would you charge me to fix that? And he might have said $25,
Yeah.
just because he'd have been in and out in an hour.
yeah.
It wouldn't even been an hour.
I called
And for
the,
$25, I'd have been like, here, just to save me the hassle.
yeah, exactly, so,
Just,
okay.
just saying, like, and then you
Yeah.
could call me right away.
And just
I don't
say-
usually, if I don't answer, it's because I'm either on my stilts, got things, mud,
Well,
knife in my hand, and then when I saw you call, it was 10 o'clock at night till I was getting home, and I'm just super busy right now.
Your trunk is full of clutter. Why so much water? Yeah, well, that's all clutter.
You want to see this? We drink them all.
Yeah, well, it's clutter. You need to drink them all in one day. Yeah, Joe does cry me out. So I need to get some crazy glue too.
Okay, do we have to eat a Taco Bell?
No.
Wendy said we go inside. They have breakfast.
Oh, they do, yeah. Yeah, because Taco Bell, yeah, let's just boycott.
So we're eating it air conditioned.
Yeah, exactly. But the new fridge is working great.
Where are they?
Oh, look how old it is.